If you have diabetes or just found out you have it, you know that picking the right foods can be tricky. But here at Cure Me, we're here to make it simpler. We'll show you which foods can genuinely help lower your blood sugar. Today, we're talking about 13 fantastic foods with a low glycemic index. This list covers a wide range, so there's something for everyone. You might even find some sweet surprises here. We'll explain how including these in your diet can help control your blood sugar, some quickly and some over time. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Stay tuned to learn how to get 2 free gifts. Now, let's dive into the top 13 foods that can reduce blood sugar. Number 1. Legumes, beans, chickpeas, lentils, peas. Legumes contain carbohydrates but are packed with nutrients and have a low glycemic index. They offer a balanced combination of fiber, protein, and complex carbs that help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Including legumes in your diet can improve glycemic control. For instance, consider a single cup of cooked lentils. It boasts 40 grams of carbohydrates, yet it also offers a substantial 16 grams of dietary fiber and fulfills a remarkable 90% of your daily folate requirements. Legumes present an optimal blend of fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates, working harmoniously to regulate blood sugar levels effectively. A study conducted in 2020 revealed that incorporating legumes into your diet enhances glycemic control. If you're pondering ways to integrate more legumes into your meals, you can experiment with split pea soup, incorporate black beans into your tacos or omelets, and add chickpeas to your salads. Furthermore, there are even low-carb pasta alternatives crafted from legumes instead of traditional wheat-based options. Number 2. Pumpkin and pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are often hailed as a diabetic superfood, yet the entirety of the pumpkin offers notable health benefits. All varieties of pumpkins and squash are rich sources of fiber and antioxidants, making them valuable for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. Across different cultures like Mexico, Iran, and China, pumpkins have a long history of use as a hypoglycemic remedy to control blood sugar. Research studies have also shown that both pumpkins and pumpkin seeds may swiftly and effectively lower elevated blood glucose levels, especially in individuals severely affected by diabetes. These beneficial effects are attributed to the specific type of carbohydrates found in pumpkins, known as polysaccharides, which are known to assist in blood sugar regulation. Furthermore, treatments involving pumpkin extracts and powders have demonstrated their capacity to reduce blood sugar levels. Pumpkin seeds, in particular, are abundant in healthy fats and protein, making them an excellent combination for managing blood sugar levels. A recent study from 2018 even revealed that the consumption of just 2 ounces of pumpkin seeds resulted in a remarkable 35% reduction in post-meal blood sugar levels among participants. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs have had their fair share of mixed reviews over time, with conflicting advice on their consumption. However, we now understand that eggs are a highly nutritious and beneficial addition to our diet. With cholesterol content that doesn't pose harm. In fact, it can offer health benefits. Scientific studies have revealed that enjoying 1 to 3 eggs daily has no significant impact on overall cholesterol levels. Furthermore, eggs can elevate your HDL or good cholesterol while reducing your LDL or bad cholesterol, promoting cardiovascular health. On average, a single egg contains approximately 70 calories, delivers 6 grams of high-quality protein, and boasts a glycemic index of 0. Eggs are considered a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids vital for our well-being. The protein found in eggs plays a role in blood sugar management. And it has been documented that consuming just 1 egg daily may lower fasting glucose levels by 4.4% in individuals with prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. Additionally, eggs are a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can effectively lower triglyceride levels, a particularly encouraging benefit for those managing diabetes. Moreover, eggs are exceptionally satiating, making them a valuable addition to the diets of most individuals, allowing for the inclusion of about 1 egg per day as part of a balanced diet. Number 4. Mushrooms. Edible mushrooms encompass a diverse array of varieties, each potentially influencing the glycemic index to a slight degree. Nonetheless, mushrooms, as a group, generally exhibit a remarkably low glycemic index and offer a plethora of remarkable health advantages. Consider portobello mushrooms, for instance. They are low in calories yet brimming with flavor. A single large portobello mushroom contains a mere 22 calories, along with 2 grams of protein, 4 grams of carbohydrates, and 1 gram of dietary fiber. Notably, it also provides 24% of your daily recommended intake of riboflavin. White mushrooms, the most widely consumed mushroom variety worldwide, represent approximately 90% of mushrooms consumed in the United States. Just 1 cup of white mushrooms contains a mere 21 calories, a mere 3 grams of carbohydrates, and 1 gram of fiber. Additionally, a single cup of white or button mushrooms contributes significantly to your daily nutrient needs, supplying 33% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin D, 16% of selenium, and 12% of phosphorus. Beyond their low carbohydrate and calorie content, mushrooms possess anti-inflammatory properties and contribute to effective weight management. They offer prebiotic benefits that support gut health and contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, aiding in the regulation of blood sugar levels. Number 5. 3 special vegetables, such as broccoli, spinach, cauliflower. Vegetables play a pivotal role in maintaining both weight and blood glucose levels, all the while delivering an array of vital nutrients. Among the vegetable kingdom, 3 stand out as particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. First, let's consider broccoli. Broccoli boasts a unique glucosinolate compound known as glucoraphanin and an enzyme called myrosinase. When broccoli is chopped or chewed, these elements combine to create sulforaphane, a compound renowned for its remarkable blood sugar regulating properties. Sulforaphane-rich broccoli extract has consistently demonstrated its ability to enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels in various research studies. Broccoli sprouts also serve as concentrated sources of glucosinolates, further improving insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. To maximize these advantages, one can incorporate broccoli extract or powder, readily found in many supergreen mixes. Enjoying broccoli raw or lightly steamed maximizes its potential benefits. Next up is spinach, a nutritional powerhouse akin to broccoli. Laden with fiber, vitamins, folate, manganese, calcium, potassium, zinc, phosphorus, protein, and carotene, spinach offers a virtually zero glycemic index, making it a satiating choice that stabilizes blood sugar. Incorporate raw spinach leaves into omelets or craft a refreshing spinach salad, embellished with lean chicken, orange slices, and walnuts for a well-rounded, blood sugar-friendly meal. Finally, consider cauliflower, another diabetes-friendly vegetable with a low glycemic load that promotes satiety while keeping blood sugars in check. Cauliflower also boasts substantial heart-healthy attributes and is rich in cancer-fighting antioxidants and dietary fiber. Its versatility allows for various culinary applications, such as substituting mashed cauliflower for traditional mashed potatoes, or ricking it to create a carb-free, low glycemic index alternative. By regularly incorporating these 3 vegetables into your diet, you can enhance overall health and contribute to better blood sugar management. Number 6. Berries. Don't be deterred by the natural sugars found in fruits. Almost all types of fruit can be part of a healthy diet for individuals with diabetes and can contribute to effective blood sugar management. While some fruits have lower natural sugar content or higher fiber levels, it's important to note that even fruits with carbohydrates, like berries, can be beneficial. Berries, in particular, are exceptional choices due to their high fiber content, which reduces their net carbohydrate load and helps slow down digestion, thereby aiding in blood sugar control. Moreover, berries have been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity, as evidenced by a recent study, where women who consumed 5 ounces of mixed berries with bread experienced a 25% reduction in their insulin levels compared to those who only consumed bread. Berries are also rich in antioxidants such as anthocyanins and resveratrol. In fact, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries contain more antioxidants than most other fruits. These antioxidants are known to reduce inflammation and combat the harmful effects of free radicals associated with cancer. Berries make for convenient snacks, allowing you to maintain portion control easily. Furthermore, they make excellent additions to oatmeal and yogurt, both of which are known for their ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Number 7. Yogurt. A comprehensive meta-analysis conducted in 2014 revealed that the daily consumption of plain yogurt can significantly reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Plain yogurt with a glycemic index (GI) score of 50 or lower qualifies as a low GI food, making it a valuable choice for blood sugar control. Furthermore, plain yogurt serves as an excellent source of protein, which contributes to slowing down the digestive process, aiding in blood sugar management. Unsweetened plain Greek yogurt, in particular, is well known for its probiotic benefits, promoting improved gut health. It's important to steer clear of pre-sweetened or flavored yogurts, as they often contain excessive added sugars, along with other undesirable chemical additives and preservatives. Instead, consider enhancing the flavor and increasing fiber content by incorporating fresh fruit into your unsweetened plain yogurt at home. Whether it's paired with fruit or nuts, plain yogurt becomes a satisfying, protein-rich snack choice that helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Number 8. Nuts. Natural, unsalted, roasted, or raw nuts serve as ideal snacks, provided you steer clear of varieties with sugary coatings. Here's an interesting tidbit. Peanuts, despite being classified as legumes, share many nutritional qualities with nuts. Nuts, in general, are a nutritional treasure trove, brimming with fiber and boasting a low glycemic index score, typically 55 or less, depending on the specific type of nut. Additionally, they offer plant-based protein, heart-healthy unsaturated fatty acids, a bounty of antioxidant vitamins, essential minerals like magnesium and potassium, and an array of beneficial phytochemicals. It's worth noting that different nuts come with distinct health benefits. For instance, Brazil nuts have a remarkable impact on lowering cholesterol levels, cashews contribute to immune system support, and walnuts have garnered attention for their positive effects on gut health. These nutrient-packed snacks offer a delightful and wholesome way to nourish your body. Number 9. Old-fashioned oatmeal. It's essential not to mistake old-fashioned oats, the type that requires at least 5 minutes of cooking time, with the instant sugary oatmeal varieties often found in the same grocery store aisle. The latter should indeed be avoided. On the other hand, old-fashioned and steel-cut oats offer a multitude of health advantages, including their capacity to help maintain stable blood sugar levels. In fact, adhering to a diet rich in 100% whole grains and fiber-rich foods can reduce the risk of diabetes by a substantial 40%. Steel-cut oatmeal, in particular, is notable for its soluble fiber content, which decelerates the absorption of glucose in your system. Oats naturally contain B-glucans, compounds that enhance insulin sensitivity, reduce post-meal glucose and insulin responses, and lower blood lipid levels. Numerous research studies have consistently demonstrated the benefits of incorporating unprocessed, steel-cut oats into the diets of individuals with diabetes. A comprehensive review conducted in 2015, encompassing 16 distinct studies, consistently confirmed that natural oats positively influence glucose control and lipid profiles in individuals with diabetes. Number 10. Sweet potatoes and yams. Contrary to white potatoes, sweet potatoes and yams can be a wise choice for individuals managing diabetes. While the notion of something sweet lowering blood glucose might seem surprising, it's due to their low glycemic index of just 44. These varieties of potatoes are not only rich in essential nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium but also boast a high fiber content. Although they do contain a significant amount of carbohydrates, the presence of fiber causes their carbohydrate content to release slowly, mitigating rapid blood sugar spikes. A noteworthy example is the Okinawa region in Japan, one of the planet's blue zones where many individuals live well beyond 100 years. In Okinawa, sweet potatoes dominate the average diet, with reports indicating that as much as 69% of their food intake consists of sweet potatoes. However, it's worth noting that it's not advisable for diabetics to consume as high a proportion of sweet potatoes as the Okinawans do, as their bodies have adapted to this diet over generations. Nonetheless, including a single sweet potato in a meal can be a superb choice, offering robust health benefits and the potential to regulate blood sugar effectively. Number 11. Avocado. To keep your blood glucose levels stable, consider adding avocados to your diet. Avocados provide a rich source of plant-based monounsaturated fatty acids and ample dietary fiber, a combination that effectively guards against sudden spikes in blood sugar. Despite containing approximately 12 grams of carbohydrates in a large avocado, they also offer a substantial fiber content of up to 10 grams. Furthermore, while avocados do contain a significant amount of fat, roughly 22 grams, the majority of this fat is in the form of beneficial unsaturated fats. You don't need to consume large quantities to enjoy these benefits. Even a few slices, roughly a quarter of an avocado, can deliver approximately 3 grams of fiber and 7 grams of healthy fat. The monounsaturated fats present in avocados have the additional advantage of assisting in blood pressure reduction and lowering LDL or bad cholesterol levels in the body. These effects collectively contribute to a decreased risk of heart disease, making avocados a smart choice for your overall health and blood sugar management. Number 12. Fish. For individuals with diabetes who aren't following a vegetarian or vegan diet, opting for lean meats without carbohydrates can be a prudent dietary choice that won't elevate blood sugar levels. Incorporating more protein into your diet can be beneficial as it can slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, contributing to better blood sugar control. Among the options, fish stands out as an exceptional choice for lean meat protein. Cold water fish, in particular, can play a dual role in preventing and managing diabetes. A noteworthy Norwegian study tracked over 33,000 women for 5 years, revealing that a daily intake of 75 to 100 grams of cod, pollock, or other cold water fish reduced their risk of diabetes. Cold water fish varieties are typically rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which offer a multitude of health advantages. These include enhancing eye health, reducing the risk of heart disease, mitigating inflammation, reducing fat accumulation in the liver, and even aiding in the management of depression. In summary, the cumulative benefits of omega-3 fats found in cold water fish can contribute to a gradual reduction in blood sugar levels over time, making them an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes. Number 13. Fermented foods. Recent research indicates that an imbalanced gut microbiome can contribute to heightened insulin resistance. Therefore, it's crucial to nurture a flourishing gut environment, and one effective way to achieve this is by incorporating fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut into your diet. These foods are rich in probiotics and a myriad of other beneficial compounds, and they can play a pivotal role in mitigating the effects of diabetes. In fact, a wealth of studies conducted over the past decade has demonstrated that the consumption of fermented foods can lead to enhanced blood glucose tolerance. The mechanism behind this phenomenon lies in the influence of gut microbes on insulin levels, and their impact on leptin signaling, which ultimately affects cravings and food intake. A notable study published in the Food and Function Journal involved type 2 diabetics who consumed fermented milk regularly for 6 weeks. The results were promising, revealing reductions in fructosamine levels and a decline in A1C levels among the participants. While further research is warranted, these findings are undeniably encouraging, suggesting that the inclusion of fermented foods has the potential to improve blood sugar levels in individuals with diabetes. So there you have it, the top 13 foods that can help reduce blood sugar levels. Share your favorite blood sugar lowering foods in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Have a healthy day.